Hello, and thanks for joining us today. I'm excited to be here to introduce Mr. Ed Oshiba, the new Deputy Director of Civil Engineers. Ed's been a career civil engineer, many years of service, and one of the things that he's brought is a great passion. Passion for excellence, passion for airmen, passion for mission. And as we go through, we hope to be able to take advantage of the vision that you've demonstrated at every level of the organization and move forward into the next few years. So, Mr. Oshiba, over to you.
Thanks for the warm welcome, General Green. To my fellow airmen engineers, I'm humbled, excited, and honored to serve as your new Deputy Director. In my 26 years of service, I never imagined I would be given this opportunity to support General Green and all of you in doing all we can do to enable combat power. I fully realize that we're living in challenging times. We're asking all of you to establish, operate, sustain, protect, and recover air bases around the globe in the midst of crushing fiscal pressure, rapid technological change, regional instability, and increasing importance and vulnerability to natural resources. Despite these challenges, I am overwhelmingly optimistic that we are up to the task. And why is that? Well, with every major challenge come opportunities. Opportunities to apply the innovative spirit that I know is in all of you and leverage the strength of your diversity, the depth of your technical expertise, and your never-ending desire to lead the way. Engineers solve problems. Engineers find unique, creative solutions to tough problems. I've seen it throughout my career, and I'm confident that if nurtured, it will continue today and well into the future. Preserving this legacy requires us to invest in our most important asset, and that's you. To that end, civilian development and force management are high on my list of priorities. But we must think in terms of what we need to be versus what we used to be. My predecessor did a great job of reinvigorating civilian force development. My intent is to build upon the solid foundation he created and work toward improving the education, training, and advancement opportunities necessary to overcome the challenges I mentioned earlier. I've often been asked what my priorities are as Deputy Director. They're pretty simple. First and foremost, strengthen communication both internal and external to our engineer community. I've often said that communicating effectively is one of the hardest things we do. Yet clear, transparent, two-way communication is essential to ensuring we provide the engineer capabilities our mission partners need to remain combat effective. Second, build constructive relationships. We do absolutely nothing on our own. Every success is shared success as part of a larger team, both inside and outside of our functional community. And relationships don't happen on their own. It takes some concerted effort on our part to engage, build, and foster the productive partnerships necessary to overcome our day-to-day and future challenges. Third, develop and care for our engineer family. As I said, our most important asset is our people. The most sophisticated, technologically advanced, cutting-edge weapon systems are absolutely worthless without airmen behind the wheel. And it takes proactive effort on our part to keep you technically relevant in a world where technological breakthroughs are happening at breakneck speed. Finally, we at the headquarters always have to remember who our ultimate customer is. And that would be all of you who do what it takes to deliver combat power in air, space, and cyberspace at our installations. Whether you're a wrench turner keeping our buildings and infrastructure in good working order, a real property professional accounting for the billions in physical plant we're charged with sustaining, a housing manager providing a place we can call home, a firefighter saving lives, an emergency manager ensuring we're ready for the next natural disaster, an EUD specialist diffusing an explosive hazard, a community planner preventing encroachment on our training ranges, or an engineer constructing and preserving our built and natural infrastructure, our focus must be on providing effective and efficient installation platforms from which we project combat power. I know that focus has always been at the heart of everything you have done, are doing, and will do in the future. And for that, I thank you. Thank you for your continued support, dedication, and selfless service to our Air Force, our nation, and all the values we represent. I'll look forward to seeing you soon.